What's up YouTube? It's your girl Special K and I am back today with another video. And today I'm going to give you guys a video on how I achieved my fall look with my new James Charles mini palette. Start off today, the first thing you will need is brushes. And of course, I did get some cute brushes from Amazon. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm probably going to use some miscellaneous ones that I got as well. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics 104.
But before I go in, I gotta make sure that brush clean.
So I'm just cleaning the brush off, making sure it's
clean. Once again, I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics 104. To start off, I'm gonna go in with my transition shade as this one. If you guys are getting this palette, that's called Punch Me. That's a pretty funny one. So I'm just going to take that shade and then just kind of put it in the creases. The tip is blend. Just want to keep blending. That wasn't that bad. I know you can do it. So then the next shade I'm going to go in is, I'd rather just keep this right here. Code James. Okay. Code James. Go in with that. Make sure you tap that excess off. And then you want to just go right back in there. Just right on top of where you applied the Punch Me. See, since we're going for a fall look, we got to go bold. Always use the same brush for my transition and my second shade because they always be almost about the same color. So then I'm gonna go in with my cute mermaid brush that I got from Amazon for about $7.99 for like 30 brushes. It's decent. Gonna go in with the you're kidding. Take a little bit of that. Tap that. Just want to put some right on your outer V because that's just like that's gonna pop. Yeah, I'm very goofy today. Just want to put that right there. Now always get another brush, which is my BH Cosmetics 101, which is a blending brush. You want to make sure you blend that red out, okay? Okay, so now that that's blended out, I'm going to take another brush because you don't want to keep using the same brush, sis. Even though I get lazy at times and I will just use the same brush. Don't beat me up. Next step, I'm going to go in because I need something to bring, you know, the smoky look. I'm going to go in with the...
Going with the no beans. Really don't need much of that because like black, any black or like brown, a little goes a long way. Just because it's already dark and like a little will blend out, you know.
Really look at this mirror. Think, sis. Think. Now this is going to basically create that smoky look, you know. Oh, see, look, you see that a little. Do that on both eyes. Now, if you got a vision, you know what I'm finna do. Now that I have like that look that I'm trying to create, I'm gonna go in with some HD cream concealer to basically, you know, get that crease you need. The Rivera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think that's how you say it. Oh, don't blink. So I'm gonna go in with probably gonna do a little mixture of the Inherence and yeah, I'm sorry, it's dirty. In your hands, get it better. You can actually feel where you want to put it at, if that makes sense.
And then you kind of want to take your brush afterwards and then go right back in with that color, the brown that we went in with earlier, to just kind of blend out those harsh edges.
Bonnie, you can pick this up from any like drugstore, CVS, Walmart, Meijer, etc. They sell all type of Milani products, and she actually has some good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting more videos for you guys. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back now. If you did like this video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.